Yes, students. Now, some more few elements, their symbol you should remember. So, here I am not going in order the atomic number. Only atomic number 1 to 20 I have written in order the elements. Now, it is not in order, just the common elements, their symbol which is required for you that I am writing here. Okay. Now, next, barium. First two letter is Ba. So, what is symbol of barium? Capital B, small a. Size should be small. And now students, atomic number of barium is not 21. Because I am not now writing the elements in order of atomic number. Increasing order of atomic number. Okay. Next, bromine. First two letters are used for writing its symbol. So, what is symbol of bromine? Capital B, small r. Size should be small. Next, iodine. Only first letter used for writing the symbol, capital I. Zinc. First and third letter. First and third letter is used for writing its symbol. Capital Z, small n. Okay. Next, copper. Copper get its symbol from its Latin name. And what is Latin name for copper? Cuprum. So, what is symbol of copper? Cu, capital C, small u. Okay. Next, iron. Latin name is ferrum. So, what is symbol of iron? Capital F, small e. Okay. Next, silver. Latin name is argentum. Argentum. So, from A, from gentum G. So, what is symbol of silver? Ag, capital A, small g. You will not write capital A, small g this way. It will be wrong. Okay. Next, gold. Latin name is aurum. So, what is symbol? Au, capital A, small u. Capital A, small u. Next, mercury. Latin name is hydrarginum. From hydrar, H, from girum, G. So, what is symbol of mercury? Capital H, small g. Again students, capital H, small g, you will not write this way. Okay. Hydrargyrum, from hydrar, H, from girum, G. Clear? Next, tin. Latin name is stannum. From stan, S, from num, N. Capital S, small n. Stannum. So, tin, what is symbol? Sn. Mercury, what is symbol? Hg. Gold, what is symbol? Au. Silver, Ag. Iron, Fe. Copper, Cu. These all symbol come from its Latin name, not from first or second letter. Okay. Next, lead. Latin name is plumbum. Plum, then bum. From plum, P. From bum, B. Plumbum. And B you will write this way only. Size will be equal to P. But small b we write that way only. Okay. Next, platinum. First and second letter. First and fourth letter is used. PT. Capital P, small t. And chromium, first and third letter is used to write the symbol. Capital C, small r. Okay. So, these are the common elements whose symbol you should know. And this is not in order, increasing order of their atomic number. I have written the elements in increasing order of atomic number from atomic number 1 to 20. Means from hydrogen to calcium. Calcium atomic number is 20. Okay, so students, these are the symbol of the elements which I have discussed today with you. So what is symbol? Symbol is short method to represent full name of an element. Short method to represent full name of the element, that is called symbol, and symbol comes from first letter of the element or first and second letter, sometimes first and third letter, sometimes first letter of the element and sound of second letter, and sometimes from its Latin name. Okay, and your duty is every day you have to revise this symbol of the elements, because to write the formula, students, you should know the symbol of the elements. And valencies also you should know, that I will discuss later on. So this is base for chemistry, students. Just for mathematics, multiplication table is required in the same way for chemistry. It is based totally on chemical reactions. And to write chemical reactions, students, you should know the chemical formulas. And to write chemical formulas, you should know the symbol and valency. So I started with symbol today. Then in the next class, I will discuss with you valency. Okay.